Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can install Yarn Package Manager on Ubuntu 22.04. Yarn is an open source and freely available package manager that is used to manage JavaScript runtime environments. It provides an efficient package management experience. So let's get started. Let me go to my Ubuntu environment. This is my Ubuntu 22.04. Let me clear my screen. Let's update our system packages first, which is always a good idea. So sudo apt update, and I'm logged in as Ubuntu user. Let's wait for it to finish. It will take too long, and that is done. Now let's check if curl command is installed on our system. It is, which is good. And if it is not, all you need to do is to just type sudo apt install curl. But as I already have it, so I'm not going to do it. Let me clear my screen. Second step, we need to import the GPG key for Yarn. So let's do it, and we are going to use the curl command for it, and that is why we have made sure that curl is available. That is done, and it should say OK here, as you can see on your screen. So GPG key is there, and now let's enable the Yarn repository on our local system, and the command of doing it is this. That is also done. And now we are ready to install Yarn here. And the command of doing it is very simple. Sudo apt install Yarn and then press enter. Just press capital Y here. It is going to install everything on your system. And that is done. Let me clear my screen, and then you can simply check your Yarn version. Yarn space dash dash version, and there you have your latest Yarn version. So this is how you install Yarn on Ubuntu 22.04. That's it. If you are struggling or any issues, let me know, and I will also paste all of these commands in video's description so you can also run it on your system. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.